Hello student, today we will do question number 5 from exercise 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 5. 5.1. Puneet has a recurring deposit account in the Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he gets rupees 8,092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. So for this we will use formula this maturity value is given 8092 equal to P. P is 150 into N. N is 4 years, means 48 month plus 140 into 48 into 49 divided by 2 into 12 into R we have to find. Eight zero nine two. If we multiply this, we will get and bring this side. We will get 6720 equal to, this will be cut 12.4 and 2 2. This will be 2 also cut 2. So here will be this is 0 and 0. This will be cut. If you multiply this, then it will be 686 by, this will be cut to 5. So 686 by 5 into R. So R is equal to, then it will subtract this. Then this will be 1372. 5 will go this side, so this will be 5 and 686 here. So this will be 2 and then will be 10%. This is answer number 2. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7,725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per year. Here also we have to find a rate and we will use that formula, similar formula. This is this formula. So maturity value here it is given 7725 is equal to P is here 300 into N. N is for 2 years, so 24 plus N. 24 5 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So five R equal to 775 minus 0 is equal to then R is equal to 525 by 75. 7 should be cut by 7. So 7% will be answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.